West. I'm the marketing manager for the Cincinnati Police Federal Credit Union, and we are here today holding the Northwest Local School District Senior Finance Day. April is National Financial Literacy Month, and we thought that today would be a great day to hold a day for the seniors of the Northwest Local School District to get more information about personal finances before they hit the real world and have to make very large financial decisions on their own and with the help of their parents. So during today's event, we have students going through 3 different sessions. The first session is a financial literacy seminar where they're going to be they're going to have information presented to them about education choices, salaries, how education impacts salary, how that is going to impact their future, what kind of class they'll be considered with that income, middle class, lower middle class, upper class, and just how that's going to change their level of lifestyle. That's the financial presentation. The second thing that the students are going to be doing is going through a game called Finances 101, and it is the financial game of life. They'll be assigned an occupation with a salary, and some of them will have a family, some of them will just be single, but they'll go through different stations of a game to deal with real life financial issues, having to decide what kind of housing they're going to choose for their family, having to decide what kind of transportation they're going to choose for their family, whether or not their employer provides benefits and insurance, if they have to pay the full cost of those benefits or a partial cost. So it's just a way to kind of bring the personal financial curriculum that it's taught in the high schools right now to life for the students, to really give them an understanding, although in a game format, of some of the things that they're going to be challenged with once they graduate here in a few months.
So the reason we brought you here today is April. I'm sure you guys have been celebrating all month. It's National Financial Literacy Month. We wanted to bring you here for a fun and interactive day where you guys can learn about personal finance. You guys are going to be graduating in a couple months, and you guys are going to have to start doing some of this on your own. So our goal is to educate you on how to live within your means, how to create a budget, and how to make responsible lifelong decisions. We're very interested in financial education, and that's why we're here today. That's why we have the kiosk at Colerain. We're all about, trying to help you guys learn before you graduate and make actual mistakes. That's our goal. So this game was actually created by the Northwest Ohio Credit Union League, and they let us borrow it. Your payments are going to be decided by the choices that you make and by luck. You'll see, at one point in the game, you'll spin the wheel, you might break your leg or something. So it's kind of like real life. You might have jumped into a pool with your cell phone in your pocket and you have to buy a new one. So a lot of it is just luck, just like in real life, but a lot of it is choices you make. Did you buy a card that was too expensive and doesn't leave you with enough money? Okay, so that's our goal. We would like for you guys to have fun, learn how to manage your money, and hopefully our goal is to have money left at the end of the game.
My name is Tyler Bellman. I'm a senior at Colerain High School, and I'm the assistant branch manager over in our student-led kiosk. Today from the game, I learned that how to wisely budget all of our money and how to know where your money's going, where it's being spent here and there. A lot of the expenses add up very quickly, so it's good that the credit union, the police credit union and Northwest has brought us down here today to get a better idea of where our money is going to be going when we get older.
Did you end up with a positive balance?
I did end up with a positive balance, and I'm happy that I did.
Yeah.
I'm happy that I did.
Do you receive a grade for this?
Yes, we are going to be getting a grade in our senior social studies class. It's a participation grade based on just our participation down here, learning, and being on our best behavior, representing Colerain High School in the best way that we can.
This event, the Northwest Local School District Senior Finance Days, is actually sponsored by the Cincinnati Police Federal Credit Union. We have created the Northwest Financial Education Association with the Northwest Local School District, and the goal of that association is to really enhance the financial curriculum that's currently being taught in the high schools. Right now, before any senior of a high school anywhere in the state of Ohio can graduate, they must get get instruction on personal finance issues. They must be taught budgeting. They must be taught how a checking account works, how to balance their checking account. They're taught about credit, responsible use of credit, credit reports, and how their credit score is going to impact any loans that they might receive in the future in terms of, are they going to pay a high interest rate or a low interest rate? So knowing that the state of Ohio was putting this financial curriculum into place, we realized that we could really help the school district and bring events such as this to the school district to really kind of bring financial education to life for the kids, so that hopefully by the time they graduate, they know that just like they need to shop for the best price for a TV if they're going to buy one, that they need to shop around for the best financial products and services for their family as well, whether that be a checking account, a car loan that they might need in the future, or a mortgage loan. Not all credit unions and not all banks offer the same rates, and not all of them have the same fee structure. It's going to vary from institution to institution, but they need to be cognizant of that and trying to shop for those products and services to get the best deal they can on those as well.
And you guys are going to be our future. And I really want you to kick butt, go out there and be successful, more successful than your parents, so that you can do more, see more, and be more. That's what's important. So go out there and play that game. Make sure you stay within your means. Some of you will be in the negative. It's okay. You'll get a little bonus at the end. Some of you will not be in the negative. Pay extra on your credit card payments. If you have 5 children, don't get the mansion unless you can afford it. Get maybe a 2 to 3 bedroom apartment. So this is all about staying in your means and not playing the game just to play it and be silly and to lose your money. We want you to go home with some money. All right? You guys are set, and good luck in the future. 2014. All right. You guys are